So this is the hum from the radio. If I put my hand on the top of it, there's an internal aerial, which is basically a wire, a sort of a sheet of aluminium. If I put my hand on it, it comes good. I'm using one of those pantry transmitters, which is at the other end of the house. If I unplug the internal aerial, I'm going to unplug the internal aerial, just plug a piece of wire in. Sort of works. If I touch this wire, sometimes touching the mains cable does something. Earthing it makes no difference whatsoever. This is a Philips 420 radio set from about 1940. It's been recapped, it's been rebuilt. It's even had a new mains transformer, courtesy of Ed Dinning, on it. But this is a problem. Now, this is the pantry transmitter. I don't know what else is on here. I'll just have a... Doesn't seem to be anything up, picking anything else up on medium wave. If we go to, I think it's long wave, I can pull in radio 4.
Possible places.
So Elysium, the heaven of the gods,
beyond death is where you have to go to get to Elysium. But Illyria is,
that's with a piece of wire put in.
And you should never go to the places
putting
that you
my
have
hand on it
enjoyed in a
makes
play.
no difference what will it won't do at the moment. Unplug that and plug the internal.
Illyria to the beach in Illyria, and it was boxes from which the Albanians could shoot any invading troops. Of course, people had even forgotten about Albania. Nobody was attacking it at all.
It sort of makes a difference now. This is the internal aerial plugged in, and I'm moving my hand around it.
So it still wasn't the beach.
So I sort of wonder what is going on. Anyway, let's see. Hope that someone can give me some details. Thank you.